Well, hey there. Oh my god, so nice of you to drop in. Yeah, I was just hoping that we could, I don't know, get lunch. I don't know, I'm just saying. Yeah, just, you know, drop your number below and get, just saying, just hit me up. Oh wow. Is your life that sad? You seriously trying to find a man on YouTube? Wow, that's sad. Of course not. It was a joke. Did you see I laughed at the camera? Well, okay. So since people can't take jokes, hit me up. Let's just get started with this video. So this week, hi. By the way, I'm Karen Tafa. This week, I'm reacting to RM Forever Rain music video. So yeah, I'm also gonna be reacting to 2 more videos this week. So turn on post notifications, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see. I also have a main channel where I post my music, my own music. I sing, yeah, what's up? I sing, and I just posted my first vlog back, and I went to San Francisco, so that was pretty fun. I'm also going to the Cameron Dallas song premiere video thing tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna vlog that too. So go to my main channel and subscribe to that too. But anyway, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Hit me up. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's my first time listening to RM, by the way. Seems serious. I don't know how I feel. I thought it was, all the other K-pop songs I've listened to have been super hype, and I was expecting that, and I didn't get that, and I don't know, it's different, and it's enticing. So let's continue listening. I don't know what they're saying, so this is very hard for me right now. My first time listening to RM. Can somebody tell me what the song's about? I don't know what's going on. Oh, English. Okay, everything is slow. I get it. Everything's slow. I get this. English. I got it. I'm getting it. Okay, I like that. I like that part where you added English, because now I'm catching on to the song. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's carry on. Let me not waste your time. This is hyping up real good now. I need to drop my tea. Woo! Purposes of copyright, I'm gonna skip a little bit, okay? Don't get mad at me. Slow rap, slow jam, slow brain, everything slow. This is some good music. So, I like this song. Yeah, it's a good song. Completely different from all the K-pop stuff I've listened to, which is not a lot, and I'm sorry. But that was a weird but that was weird, but yeah, It was a cool song. It was a cool song. If you are an RM fan and you like this, subscribe, because I'm posting every week, 3 times a week, and vlogs and songs on my main channel. This is a whole, ouch, this is a whole shenanigan, so like, ow, again, you do that, okay, you do that. So yeah, I love you for those who've already subscribed and hit me up. I love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying through the entire video. Really appreciate it. And it's alright. I love you.